the draining system of the roof. As you can see, one of these drains are lower than this one. This is your primary, this is the main drain, and this is your overflow. The reason you know that, it's different elevation. It has another ring, this higher ring on it compared to just your drain ring on this one. This one actually, the water's got to come up this high before it can actually flow in and drain off. The reason for overflows is if you get a pile of rain or if something gets plugged, so you're not flooding the whole roof out.